Hello everyone, this is Steve channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable and use assistive wall feature in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30 5G. So before diving into this video, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Let's start our video without wasting any time. So to enable or use assistive wall in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30 5G, first of all you just need to open settings and then go to convenience tool settings. So just open settings and follow which step I am showing you in this video.